Alvarez is so red hot this year, man.
Yeah. Okay, but DePaul and Llorente is not better than Rice and Partey.
Yes, yes, it is. Yes, it is. What? Sorry, you're a team that don't.
But this is the thing, yeah. This whole but our midfield is better, bro. What team wins stuff, innit? Because ultimately, yeah, this is the same nonsense that this fan base talk about. Who's got the best youngsters? Who's got the best right winger? Who gives a fuck? If your team has a better young talent or has a better midfield duo, but my team wins major honors or my team gets over the line to win cups and win silverware, do you think I give a crap about some stupid debate about, but my two midfielders are better than yours? My team is winning stuff. That's the aim of the game. So you might have better players in 1, 2, 3 positions or whatever the case may be. But the goal of the sport is to win major honors, bro. So it's an irrelevant argument. What are you arguing about? The argument should be about who's winning what. And guess what? That team, that manager, and that club has been more successful in the last 20 years than Arsenal. It doesn't matter how you feel about, we may have a better defense or this. I don't even believe that we got a better defense. But at the end of the day, yeah, they actually know how to defend to get their way out of, I'm saying, sticky situations to win games and win trophies. That's the reality of it. The whole, my player's better than your player. Who cares? Whoever's team is best wins major honors, innit? That's what it's about. It's not about this individual little fights, bro. Fuck the battle, win the war. Arsenal fans always wanted to win these little battles about, but my player's better than your player, or that player there is better than your player. Bro, is your team better? If your team ain't better, who cares? Do you know what I'm saying? Who cares? Win the trophy. All of this is irrelevant. All of this is irrelevant. Even if you say Arsenal will get a better centre-back pairing, cool. What's that led us to win? Because when we put trophies on the table in the last 10, 15, 20 years, and they put their trophies on, who's won what? Who's won what? That's all that anyone gives a fuck about. Who cares about who? It's all irrelevant, man. This fan base always concentrate on the most irrelevant stuff. It's irrelevant. It's irrelevant. The game ain't won based on whose defense is better. That's it. The game's won and done. You still need a midfield to counter-attack and to help the defense. You still need attackers to put the ball in the back of the net. Like what all of a sudden we're just going to focus on that one aspect of the Arsenal team that you like and that you rate. Like that's a solid argument. It doesn't make no sense, bro. It's crazy.
Ever win anything? Where is this coming from? Where is like
okay. So basically footballing ability doesn't matter. It's just about what have you won for me lately.
No, when it comes to Champions League, it is all about that.
On that pedestal you're putting them on, right?
I hear it.
Hang on, hear me out. At some point, for these players to be on. Listen, so far I've heard that your midfield's better than Atletico's. Your defense is better than Atletico's.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I did say I said we got a better defense.
Right.
I don't think that Arteta is better than Simeone at setting up a defense, but I do think player for player,
player for player.
Okay, so you just said I haven't said that our midfield is better. Okay, cool. So Atleti's midfield is better, their attack is better, and their manager is better. But then player for player, you're arguing that we got a better defense. They got 3 aspects that are better, and on top of that. They've actually got European heritage. Why is this even a debate? Why is this even a debate, bro? I don't even get it. Hawks, generally, I don't get it, bro. Like, what are we actually debating here?
I think player for player, we have a better defense than most teams in world football.
Yeah. Okay. Who's better, Calafiori or their left back?
But will Calafiori be playing left back for me? Calafiori won't be playing left back.
You're going to put Skelly in there in a quarter-final against Real?
100%. Would you think I want Rodrigo running at Calafiori?
I'm going to put 17-year-old straight in.
What I mean, you're going to tell me, you're going to go and tell me that what? So are you going to tell me that Miles Lewis-Skelly hasn't been good at left back this season?
That's that.
He's nowhere near the Atletico Madrid fullbacks, is it? Let's be brutally honest about this.
What are you talking about? He should be sent off against PSV. You don't handle PSV. What are we doing here?
What do you mean? I handed them up 7-1.
Wolves, he got sent off.
I handed them up 7-1.
No,
what are we doing, man?
Listen to what I'm saying.
Okay, Egypt. I hear it.
Lewis Skelly lost his head and should have got sent off against away at PSV. You're trying to put an argument against Rodrigo.
No, we shouldn't have. No, we shouldn't have.
15 times.
By the way, if I get past Real Madrid, all of you are on streams. You're getting off your chairs and you're clapping for me.
You're getting a guard of honor for a semi-final.
My guy's asking for a guard of honor if we beat Real Madrid. Oh my god! No, you can't make this bullshit up, bro. I swear down. This fan base is so finished. I'm VAR in that, bro. For everyone that didn't catch that, bro, VAR that immediately. VAR that, bro. Hooks, I swear down. Take some time off YouTube, my bro. Take some time off YouTube. Spend some time with friends and loved ones. Just have some time off, bro. Real talk, bro.
If I get past Real Madrid, all of you are on streams. You're getting off your chairs and you're clapping for me.
You're getting a guard of honor for a semi-final. This is the mentality I can't stand, bro.
You're clapping for me, but the difference
No. Hooks, I'll tell you now. You win the Champions League, I stand up for you. Win it.
Let me finish, because if I don't get to the full stop, then the point gets misconstrued. Let me get to the full stop before you open your mouth.
Get to the question mark first.
So if Real Madrid beat Arsenal, it's just like, it was meant to happen. Normal. This is what everyone will say. Yeah. This is what's going to happen. This is why Real Madrid
standing ovation for beating Real Madrid. Is that what you want?
Not in the final, by the way. Not in the final.
Yeah, quarterfinals.
Final. In the quarterfinals.
Okay, so by the way, if you're not gonna show me respect for me beating Real Madrid in knockout football, when you man all say Real Madrid in knockout football is different, if you're not gonna do that, then don't troll me now.
No, but it's not about...
Remain silent. Just remain silent.
I can't do this.
Remain silent.
I get deluded to take some forest.
But no one was trolling you. You're the one coming out saying that, our defense is better than Atletico and that Real Madrid. You're the one that made the statement saying Real Madrid are more scared coming up against Arsenal than they are going up against Atletico. That is the statement that they got onto you about. No one was just trolling you. You're saying some wild stuff. Real Madrid have got more reason to respect Atletico than they do Arsenal. That based on what? Atletico's actually won league titles against them. Atletico's actually got some European heritage. What's Arsenal done? But what are you talking about? Like, it don't work like that. Do you know what I'm saying? Unfortunately, getting past Real Madrid, that's all great. You could be happy about that. Cool, it's Real Madrid. We know the heritage. We know who they are. 15-time Champions League winners. We know all of that. But ultimately, if we don't win the Champions League, it means nothing. It means nothing. You don't get a trophy just because you beat Real Madrid, because it's the quarterfinals, not the finals, bro. Like, I don't understand how that's a hard concept to understand. This is
for winning, but no one's out here giving you no guard of honor, bro.
No, I didn't say guard of honor. I'm saying you're clapping for me. You're getting up and you're clapping. You're getting up and you're clapping. That's simple.
Well, no, we're not. We're just saying you'll get your well done.
You will definitely apologize.
You can cook.
I'll tell you.
You can cook.
You will definitely be apologizing to me. I'll tell you.
Apologizing is crazy.
You will definitely be apologizing to me. Oh, bro, I don't even. Oh, my days, man. I said you will definitely be apologizing to me.
You can cook.
You will definitely be apologizing to me. I'll tell you.
Apologizing is crazy. Apologizing is crazy.
But
you know what, man?
He is moving wild. I can't even lie. Dad, you need to chill out, man. You need to chill out.
Out of the 8 teams, Hooks, where would you say you are in terms of the favourites to win it? Of the 8 teams left?
I would say Barcelona. Well, Barcelona are my favorites to win it. Then I would say
Real Madrid.
He's gonna say Arsenal.
Yeah, maybe Real Madrid or Bayern, one of the two. Then I would say Inter and then Arsenal.
Wait, so you got?
So you just rated all the teams that are the favorites to win the Champions League, yeah? And you, after all of that, chatting all the hardest about Arsenal, this and our defense, and we got the best defense in Europe and the best centre backs in Europe, you put Arsenal last. Like, what I don't even get it, bro. I don't even get it, bro. So what was all that glazing for? I don't understand it, bro. What was all that glazing for?
Yourselves behind Real Madrid, but you think you're going through.
The bookies have you.
No, I'm the underdogs. I've already said I'm.
Watch this nonsense.
Men lie, women lie, numbers do not. Arsenal have a 16.8% chance of winning the Champions League. That's top 3. As you guys can see, who's in 5th? Is that Real Madrid, who Arsenal will be playing? We will be there no matter what. Hey, Real Madrid, be scared, bro. Because the Arsenal are coming very, very soon. Barcelona got a 20% chance, bro. Come on, man. That's like 4%, man. We don't care about that. They can take their little 4%. PSG, apparently the team that Arsenal beat, by the way, 2-0. Hey, apparently are higher than us, but guess what? We already beat them. We'll beat them again when it comes to in the semi-finals, if they make it. Because they have to go face Aston Villa, who are in 7th. I look like the underdogs, but do not.
Real Madrid, be scared. Be scared. Bro, look at the, bro, let's just look at my fan base, bro. Look at my fan base, bro. Sideshow Bob, be scared, Be scared. Real Madrid, be scared. I just want the season to be over, man.
Not rule out Aston Villa, because Aston Villa could pull off an upset against these lot. They beat Bayern. Let's not forget this. And they also did well against Liverpool. They managed to pull off a comeback against Arsenal when we were 2-0 up. So there's a lot to play for. But Arsenal's chances of winning the Champions League, 16.8%. Hey, 3rd place, I'm telling you right now, 1 in 8 chance of winning the Champions League. We will be there in Real Madrid. See you soon. Men like